Вже давно.
Починай.
I wanna cross to Switzerland where all the others be. To try to learn to yoda with my other lady. I climbed a big mountain on a clear sunny day. Then I met the yodeling gal and could not get away. Oh, she taught me to yodel, 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 yodel. She taught me to yodel, yodel, and now I'm gonna teach you how to yodel just like me. It's easy when you're singing to go yodelity. First you take a deep breath, then you exhale 1, 2, 3. Then you hear it yodeling if you listen close to me. This is how to yodel, yodeling, yodeling the Lord, yodeling the Lord. This is how to yodel, yodeling, yodeling the Lord, yodelity.
Як вона мені підняла настрій!
Дякую.